Hi, today we are going to find a vertex and p-value and focus on Directrix and the axisymmetry of the parabola. All other conic sections starting with the center, but parabola all the time starting with this point, vertex, or this shape. This is vertex, starting with the vertex. So let's find the vertex first. So let's find the middle one first. So vertex all the time under the square, that making 0, that's the value of the vertex one value. So y plus 5 equals 0 under the square. So y value at the time should be -5, right? After -5, then that means everything is 0. Then x minus 2 equals 0. So x minus 2 equals 0. From there, x equals 2. So 2 comma -5 is a vertex for this parabola right there. How about this one? This one vertex here, x minus 8 under the square, that becomes 0, then x equals 8. At the time, this is 8, then everything is 0 here, then y equals plus 4. So y equals 4. So 8 comma 4 is vertex here. And this one is kind of easy. Under the square, x, that's x equals 0, then 0. At the time, y also 0. That's a vertex every it's parabola. Now, to find p, all the time we do write it x or y form. 1 y equals to x, 1 over 4p, x squares, that form, or x equals 1 over 4p, y square form. We solve for one variable, first degree one, then 1 over 4p is the coefficient of the second degree. So, from this form, let's do it still from the second one. Negative 1 over 16, that's 1 over 4p. 1 over 4p equals negative 1 over 16. From there, we kind of reciprocal both sides. Then 4p equals negative 16, p equals -4. Right? So p equals -4 on this one. So p equals -4. This one, p equals 1 over 4p equals 1/2, right? Here, 1 over 4p equals 1/2. Then flip, same thing. So 4p equals 2, p equals 1/2. So p equals 1/2 right there. And this is same. P equals, 1 over 4p equals, in this case, just -1, right? Coefficient of the second degree is -1. So reciprocal, so 4p equals -1. So p equals -1/4. So this one is 4p equals . And before you do anything else, let's box the first degree side. First degree is this one is x. Then box x value of the vertex. This first degree one is y. Then box y here. First degree is y, right? First degree one, box them. Because focus on that side will be there. Then you can play with those box value. So let's find the focus. Focus is from this box value, you add p. You add p here. So focus is point, then you keep the value right there, 0 here, then you add p. So you add -1/4, then 0, -1/4 is the focus. And Directrix is line the other side. So Directrix, then still you subtract p on the box of the value. So minus, p is -1/4, so that becomes +1/4. That's line, so this is y value, so y equals 1/4. Okay, and then leftover, which you didn't touch, that one, in this case, this x equals 0, so we call that one x over symmetry, which is x equals 0. So what I meant with the graph, we can tell more clearly. So vertex 0, 0 right here, right? And then p value -1/2, but on the y side. because vertex on the y, focus on the y side. So here, negative, let's say let's negative 1/4. Then that's a focus right there. And directrix the other side right here, right? So directrix is 1/4 the other side. So that's directrix. All the time, graph passing through vertex. This is vertex, and this is focus. Around the focus will be. So this one same. This one same. this one same too. Graph just like that. And axis of symmetry all the time. This line right here, because left right is symmetry. Okay. So let's finish it up last. So P is -4, right? P is -4, then that one we need to do work on the boxed one, because first degree, because focus on that side. Then focus, you add this P from X value. So 2 plus -4, which means 2 minus 4, right? So -2 comma -5, that's a focus. And directrix, you subtract P there. So -4. Subtract, that means +4. So 2 plus 4. This is X value. This is line X equals 6, right? And axis of symmetry is also line, but the other one, we didn't touch one, that's y equals -5, right? So let's draw the graph roughly. So 2 comma -5, 1, 2 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say this is a 2 comma -5. From there, P is -4. That means 2 value down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's focus. And directrix. This is an X value. So you need to move to the X value. So from here. Okay, you need to go to the X value, because we box the X value, right? So to the left, put 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a vertex focus right there. And then directrix 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. This is the directrix right there. And all the time passing vertex and around, this is a focus, around the focus. Graph something like this. Okay? Okay, let's do the last one. Okay, so P is 1/2, but on the Y value there. So then now focus is, you add this one here, right? So 8 comma, X value added is, that's 0.5. So I'm gonna add P value here, so 4.5. Directrix is subtract P, so subtract 0.5 from Y value, so that's Y, line Y equals 3.5. And then axis of symmetry, which you didn't touch, is X equals 8. If you draw the graph, here 8,5, 4, so let's say this is a 8 right there, and then 8,4 right there. This is a vertex, and then comma 5, 1/2 is go up there. That's focus, and then 3,5. So 0,5 down. Let's say right here. So around the focus graph is like that, and this is a axis of symmetry right there. Okay. And then let's do one more, because when the focus and directrix is given, well, let's find the equation. So in order to do that, you better draw the graph. That's easier. So 0,3, which is 1, 2, 3 right there. So 0,3 is right here. That's a focus. Focus I usually X mark 0,3. Y equals -5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a line Y equals -5. Y equals -5. That's directrix. All the time same distance from focus and directrix. So we need to find middle point, right? So this total 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the vertex will be there, which is Vertex is here 0, -1. Coordinate of this 0, -1. So around the focus passing to vertex, graph is something like that, right? And this is a vertex focus and then y-axis side. Then y equals, and then 1 over 4p here formula, and then x something square form, right? And then this 0, 3 is about vertex, then y -3 here. X, this is x value, opposite sign all the time, like this. P is from here, from the vertex to the focus, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a P. So P is went up 4. That's +4. So P is 4 right here. So y -3 equals 1 over 16. Because P is 4. X 0. You don't need to do it. So this is the equation of this parabola with the focus and directrix.